name is Mike Fisher. I'm from Mainland Media, and I'm here to accomplish three things tonight. Thank you all for coming. How many people in this room, a family member, someone you know, has been affected by dementia? Anybody? Several. The numbers are very scary. It's growing very rapidly over the next few years. So at Dreamland Media, we have a new product called ForgetDementia.net. Just waiting for it to start. ForgetDementia.net is online, and it is over 1,000 interactive videos. But let me tell you a little bit first. What if you had no memory? What if you couldn't remember anything from moment to moment, and you kept telling the same story every 30 seconds? You might not have the ability to speak, you might have aphasia. You might be sad and depressed and sitting in a corner. This is your lifetime. You may also be a screamer. You may be in a room or frustrated and be very aggressive. These are the things that happens to dementia patients. Or you may be a screamer sitting in a room in a nursing home making noises, making little tics, or screaming. Or you may be a wanderer. You may be just trying to move and to get out of the institution as fast as possible, but you wouldn't know why. You just need to walk. You know, all these people, they're just trying to communicate with us. They're just trying to tell us what's wrong. And this is the best way, the only way they know how to do that. And so the founder of the company, Alban Maynard, found out about his grandmother. But these figures are very important because over 5 million Americans are living with these things. 500,000 people a year are dying. And 1 in 3 people with Alzheimer's that are senior has lived. So Alban learned of his grandmother's stage 3 diagnosis. She was 93 years old. Rosette couldn't communicate with Alban, and Alban couldn't communicate with Rosette. So Alban's a TV producer. He produces documentaries that a lot of us have seen. And he knows about light, shadow, timing. And so he used the only tools he knows to try and combine them into something that he could communicate with his grandmother and other dementia patients for the rest of us. And so he combined that with chronobiologic theory, which is all about temporal referencing and time. He collected those behavioral data points when he started playing it for patients themselves. Now, there's a little bit of a typo. We did it with 2,000 patients in France. And we worked with geriatric physicians. The data from those trials showed us that we can create a product called Remembrance. Over 1,000 interactive and therapeutic clips that are specific for dementia patients. They are tagged for the stage dementia, the subject, the color. There's about 10 different data points that we apply to these clips. They're put together. These 3-minute clips are put together into dream scenes that have temporal referencing. And this gives the dementia sufferer the time of day. It gives them a reference to know what's going on. And so we even clue them into the season. And so people have traveled, we use different subject matter to remember, and then we offer a product that will have music and offers a new dimension of temporal care. And between the caregiver and the dementia patient themselves, there's now a temporal reference and non-direct communication where they can now talk to each other. And maybe it evokes an episodic memory, which is the first kiss, the day you graduated, the day maybe a baby was born. And this gives them a little bit better quality of life. We're not a therapy, we're not a cure, but we're looking to give a dementia patient something that they can grab onto and focus, because otherwise they're sitting in a room looking at 4 walls that are gray. We're using guided imagery to give them a little bit better quality of life. Interestingly enough, we found out that water is a soothing, soothing application. There's so much to say about this subject, but go to forgetdementia.net. It's for mom, it's for dad, and it's a friend. There are trials there. Please pass it on to help. Thank you. Can I answer any questions?
Is the project just 3 minutes long?
The product is videos. Here's the product is videos. They're 30 minutes long. Each clip is 3 minutes for very specific subjects that will, grab the dementia patient's focus and possibly evoke some memory, better quality. Thank you very much.